How to fix DirectX setup could not download the file error on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can fix the DirectX setup could not install the file error on Windows whenever you're trying to launch an application, or maybe you're just trying to download a game from Steam or Epic Games or whatever. So simply make sure to stick with me till the end. Now first of all, the problem is usually with your DirectX framework, right? So what you want to do is, first of all, just open up your search menu over here, and then you just want to type in this command that says dxdiag, so which is dxdiag, and then you'll find this run command, right? Just click on it in order to enable this run command, and then this window will open up. It will check for all of the digital signatures as well as the DirectX version as well. So over here you can see I'm using the DirectX 12, so there's really no need for me to update it. In case you need an update, you can just update your Windows, because Windows 10 and Windows 11 will allow you to go ahead and then update it directly through the settings. Now if this does not help, then what you might also want to do is you just want to go ahead and then open up your search menu again, right? Once you open your search menu again, just go ahead and type in firewall and network protection, as you can see over here. Once you open firewall and network protection, in this case just go to allow an app through firewall screen. Once you click on allow an app through firewall, you'll see all these options, where basically first you need to click on the change settings button. Now if the problem is occurring with the Steam app, right, so whenever you're trying to download the game, you're having the problem with the Steam application, you want to ensure that Steam and both of these options on the right hand side is actually checked. If the problem is appearing with Epic Games or any other games, you want to ensure to just click on those applications and then make sure they're checked as well. Or else if you don't find the name of the game or anything that is within this list over here, click on allow another app over here, and then just navigate to the folder where you actually install the game or anything. Once you navigate to the folder, just click on add, and then you should be able to exclude those from firewall protection, and you just click on the OK button. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then make sure to comment down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.